Welcome to Connect with Concept. Today's topic is what are conjugate surds or complementary surds. Conjugate surds, and they are also called as the complementary surds. So taking one example of a binomial surd, say a plus root b, its conjugate is going to look like a minus root b. So they are conjugate of each other. So if I have to say that what's so special about the conjugates, so we will say that the sum of them and the product of them should be a rational number. So the product of the conjugates will give me a rational number, and the product or the sum also, sum of them also will give me a rational number. So let's take one example. For example, I am having a irrational number, that is 3 plus root 2. So the conjugate is going to have the same terms, that is 3 and root 2, but instead of plus it is going to have a minus sign here. So if I have to say them they are conjugates of each other, so they have to fulfill these two requirements, that their product should be a rational number and their sum should be a rational number. So we have to test one by one. So let's first add them. So 3 plus root 2 added to 3 minus root 2. So root 2 cancels with root 2. So 3 and 3 will give me 6, which is a rational number. So one of the condition is fulfilled. Now let's find the product of them. So now each of the surd is a binomial, and this looks like a plus b times a minus b. So I can use the identity a square minus b square to solve this. To find the product I am using the identity a square minus b square. So a is 3, so 3 square, minus b is root 2, so root 2 whole square. This will give me 9 minus 2, that is 7, and 7 is also a rational number. So in this we found that if they have to be called as the conjugates of each other, the product of them and the sum of them should be a rational number. So if you see that the conjugates, they always act like a rationalizing factor also. So to rationalize 3 plus root 2, its conjugate or its rationalizing factor will be 3 minus root 2. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video.